Hello guys and welcome to the channel. This will be a brief review about OTTOS10.com. I wouldn't be spending much time on this video. To my returning subscribers, I say salute. To the new ones, you all are welcome also. Welcome back to the channel. This is OTTOS10.com website. Okay, I'll be looking at I actually found a few red flags about this platform. I'm not convinced this platform is going to last for a long time, just like some others that crashed after a short while. However, I'll make a brief review about this platform and show you a few things I want to show you about this platform, and also show you how to navigate through it in case if you find it interesting to invest. Well, kindly note, I'm not an investment advisor. I shall not be responsible for whatever risk you want to take on this platform. The only thing I can say is that if you want to take risk, you can take it with what you can afford to lose, because I don't think this platform is going to last. So you can come on board and make your quick money and go your way, but I don't think it's going to last, guys. So let's quickly take a look at who these guys say they are and when they claim that they emerged. Let's take a look at the company profile here. Okay, this guy say that this company was founded in Germany in 1949. Wow. The Otto Group is today a globally active retail and service group with around 5,000 employees and a presence in more than 30 countries in Europe, North and South America and Asia. My God. Its business activities are divided three main segments. Okay. I wouldn't want to read further, so I don't make this video to be too long. But just note that this is a new website, guys. This website is actually a new website. So I don't like it when site owners come up when site owners come up with stuff like this, you know, when they aren't straightforward. At least, even if they don't want to be too straightforward, but not to tell us that they were launched in 1949. No, now that's something else. And from my findings, I came to find out that this website is a new website. This website is not even up to this website is not up to 3 weeks. It's not to it's not even up to this website is not up to 2 weeks. It's not up to 2 weeks from today. As of today I'm making this video, it's not up to 2 weeks, guys. So it's actually a new website. So if you want to invest here, invest with what you can afford to risk. From my findings, I don't think the website is going to last for a long time. But if you want to invest, invest with what you can afford to risk. That is the only thing I can say. I'm not an investment advisor, but you are free to also make your own research, guys. You are free to make your research before investing anything. So whatever risk you're taking, you're responsible for any risk you want to take here. Now let's quickly take a look at how to invest in this site. In case if you want to invest, you have to click on deposit here. You have to click on deposit. Then you can select any of these. You can select USD TRC20, then click on next. In this website, you have to invest first. You have to invest first before purchasing others. Here they purchase others with the money you have invested. You have to purchase others with the money you have invested, guys. Transfer your channel USDT. Okay, so what you just have to do, please input the number of USDT to be traded. So what you just have to do here is just input the amount you want to fund your wallet with, and come down to this page here and copy this address and fund this address here. Fund the address. Go to your crypto wallet and fund this address. That's how it is. Then come to this page, upload your transaction certificate. That is your transaction receipt. Now you click on confirm, and that's that. So guys, I would say in my own opinion, it is not a financial advice, but if you want to do it, you can do it to what you can afford to risk. Some of these sites do crash after a short while, so you can invest with what you can afford to risk. Because from my own findings, which I may not have to start stating in this video, I don't think the website is going to last for a long time. So you can do your own research before investing. So when you want to make your withdrawal, you still come to this very page. On this same home page here, then when you click on this, you have to set your withdrawal pin. You have not set the payment password and cannot withdraw. Yeah, I didn't do that here because I actually created this account for the purpose of this video. So once you click on confirm, it will take you to the next page. Here I can set that here. You need to set the transaction password. So on this very page, I can set my transaction password on this very page, but I'm not doing that here. But it's very easy. Just have to input the figures right here. Input the figures, then click on confirm or what. So once you input the figures, you submit it, and that's that. So the next thing I want to show you here is, if you want to refer your friends, but if you're referring anybody to this site, let them know it's not its financial advice, and don't be too focused about your referral bonus. Let them know that they are responsible for whatever risk they want to take care. So if you want to invite your friends, you have to click on this arrow here. Once you click on this arrow, it will take you to the page where you get your referral link and invite whoever you want to invite to this platform. So you come here and copy your referral link, and that's that, guys. So please, if you have any comment, drop your comments in the comment section of this video. Give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel if you've not subscribed to this channel, guys. I would love to see you in the next video, and please join my Telegram group. If you want, the link is in the description of this video. If you have any question you want to ask me, or anything you want, if you want to contact me directly, you can join my Telegram group and contact me directly. Also, when I post videos like this, I also post videos in my Telegram group. So if you don't get notification via YouTube, you can get notification via my Telegram group. You can get notified via that side. So guys, see you on the next video, guys. Peace out.